Hello YouTube, Watney586 here. This is going to be a video on the Crown Victoria high definition take with my Sony camera. Here's the date and time before we get started. 6:10 p.m. Thursday, April 17th. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay. Okay. Idling. Car has 67,819 miles on it. Go ahead and reset this trip thing. Pop the trunk as well. Check out the exterior. There's the interior, by the way. It is a 4.6 liter V8. Yeah, I think it's a Triton 4.6 liter, if I'm not mistaken. Just keep that strap out of the way. There's the engine. The 4.6 liter thing is, to tell you, it's a 4.6 liter V8. It's in the trunk. We had to take it off and put some spark plugs or something on it, which I will show you whatever it is over here. Whatever these are. I think they're spark plugs. It says it on the pack. That's what it is, I guess. See, there's the... Excuse the mess back here. There's the 4.6 liter thing. I'm going to go ahead and do something cool. I'm going to set my camera on the ground. And see if we can listen to it start up again. That should be a tad bit better. The exhaust. It's got dual exhaust, I believe. It's got 2 exhaust pops. There's the Escalade. I'll probably make a video on that, maybe. I'm not for sure yet. I'll think about it. Alright, let's check out the interior now. We'll just leave the engine running. Coolant vents are starting to work now. 1 rev. Alright, go ahead and shut her down. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it.